Yes, so we just finished a solar installation work now. That is 15 kilowatt hour battery, 10 kVA inverter. As you can see, it's on it now. Okay, let's go to the house. Yeah, so you can see up solar powered by Superverge Tech. Yes, you can see now. You can see the fridge. The fridge is on. So let's. The fridge is on. This is the automatic ABS. Automatic changeover switch. Okay. Be careful. So you can see that it's also powering the up solar powered by Superverge. You can see the AC is on. It's powering the AC as well. Powered by Superverge Tech. Thank you so much. Yeah. So